What's up, kids? Thank you so much for tuning in to Funhead TV. Today, I figured I would go ahead and give you guys a quick fleet update. I've actually never done one of these before, and I feel like it's an automotive YouTuber's rite of passage. So, today we're gonna go ahead and knock one out so I can tell you guys what's happening with the fleet. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so this is going to be kind of a rapid-fire video. I'm going to try my best to keep it pretty short with regards to every vehicle, but nonetheless, we're going to touch on all of them. So, first and foremost, I'm going to start out right here. This is my 2017 Polaris Switchback Pro S600. It is completely fixed. If you have not seen the video series I did about that a few months ago, go check it out. I actually thought it was pretty entertaining, but, you know, people don't watch my channel for snowmobile content, but nonetheless, it's a pretty cool thing. The UP, as in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, has not gotten much snow this year. It's been a weirdly warm winter due to the El Nino weather phenomenon that's happening up there. It's been a total bust of a winter up there, and we have not gotten up to ride, unfortunately, but I think we will in a couple of weeks. My 1994 Lincoln Town Car Cartier Edition. This car, well, has just been kind of sitting as well. I always store it every winter, so not too much has been going on with it. But we do have some things coming up on the channel about it, and I know quite a few of you have been pretty interested in this car in the past, so couple little things that we're going to do this year on that car, so I'm pretty excited about it, so stay tuned for that. In the back corner over here is a 2009 Saturn Sky Redline Edition. Several of you have asked about it. It is not my car. I'm just storing it for somebody for the winter. I do wish it was my car, although it is an automatic transmission, so that is kind of a downside, but it is a very fun car to drive. Very zippy, very light, pretty dang torquey, and it's a fun little car to drive, but nonetheless, not my car, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be making any video content about it, most likely. Behind me up on the lift is my 1986 Porsche 944. We currently have just had this thing under the knife for the past couple weeks, doing some pretty extensive work to it. Those videos are coming out over the next few weeks, so be sure to stay tuned for those, and please subscribe if you want to see more with regards to that car. Honestly, this is a very exciting series. I'm pretty psyched about it. We're going to have a lot of fun with this car this year. Lots of fun things to come for it, so definitely stay tuned for that. Not in the shop right now, as you can see, my 2007 Lexus LX470, which is the 100 series Land Cruiser, just the Lexus version of it. That car, we're doing a ton with that thing, starting probably in a couple months. That car is about to hit 260,000 miles. So we've got a lot of things we're going to be doing with that vehicle this year to kind of bring it up to maintenance snuff, kind of zero out the mileage on a lot of the mechanical components on that car, and get it ready for a very long road trip that we're going to be doing in August with that vehicle. I think that'll be like a 6,000-ish mile road trip. So call me crazy, we're taking a 260,000 mile vehicle on a 6,000 mile road trip. Well, you know, what could go wrong, right? But that's why we need to do so many things to get that thing completely ready for such an extensive road trip. So definitely, again, stay tuned for that. If you like Land Cruiser stuff, we're getting weird with it. Behind me, this is my, I think it's a 1985 or 6. I need to double check. I'll flash the actual number up on the screen. But it's a mid-1980s John Deere 1050. This is a total workhorse machine, but it is cherry, has very low hours. I believe right now it has 397.2 hours on it. So this thing is basically brand new. I don't really have much planned with this thing, but if you do want to see something with regards to this thing, let me know. I do use it a decent bit, and you have seen it in videos in the past to help us get engines on and off of stands, but of course I don't just use it for that. We use it for stuff outside of the shop as well. But if you're interested in tractor stuff, let me know, and maybe I'll make a video about it sometime. Drop it down in the comments below. And lastly, but not leastly, my 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera 4, which is now Carrera 2 because we deleted the front differential. A lot of you have been asking what's going on with this car. Well, right now, the engine case halves are actually at Ellen Engineering, getting the 3.4 to 3.8 liter conversion cylinders installed in them, the Nikaso plated cylinder liners. That is about a 3-month process, and very fortunately for us, we are at the very end of that 3-month process, and I think probably within the next few days, I'm going to be getting the call to go pick those up. The case halves, the pistons, etc. So that's why you haven't seen anything with regards to this in a little bit. But very soon, we are going to be doing a lot with that. Once we get all the engine parts back, we're going to be going full steam ahead with getting this thing put back on the road and screaming down it. We do have all of the other parts ordered. We're just waiting on everything with regards to Allen Engineering, but understandably, that is, you know, quite an extensive process. They do incredible work, and I definitely do not want to rush that. So that is everything with regards to the vehicles that you have seen around the shop. We have lots of things to come for that car, lots of things to come for that car. Same with the Land Cruiser and many other projects to come. Please subscribe if you want to see all that. I'm very pumped. 2024 is going to be a great year for Funhead TV. We're just going to be doing lots of fun stuff. So thank you so much for tuning in for this, fleet update. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya. Oh, hey everyone. Just a quick reminder, super high quality Funahead TV merch is available on funaheadtv.com right now. So head on over to funaheadtv.com and get yourself some today. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Also, thanks so much for watching that video. If you want to see even more great Funahead TV content, please click the link right here. I'll see you over there.